in this video. And guess what? Your girl is dipping deep into the color spectrum. But most importantly, sis, share the video with as many friends as you can.
Bad little flex, she wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes. Baby, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and I'm on one. So what it's gonna be? Baby, squad up, we finna go deep. Riding on a team, got what you need. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I hit the town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all love. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love. I've been feeling like I'm feeling like a man lately. Can't nobody do it like I can daily. Baddest in the lattice in the land. Body turn your nigga to a fanny up, fanny up. I made it where I'm at on my own. Had a couple blocks in the road, but I get to the bag on the low. I be counting stacks while they grow, yeah, you know me. Baby, won't you keep me company? Give me something to do when I get lonely. I got something for you when we get home. If you let me put it down, when I come in town, you should slide on me. Keep your minds on me. On try, baby, I think you should side with me. Stay solid one time if you lie with me. Just promise you never lie to me. Keep the moves on tuck, I know it's all love. Everything good, keep the vibes on crush. I know it's all good, good. Know it's all love. Know it's all love.
Yeah, baby. Okay, we are giving you Red Riding Hood, baby. Hello. So, a couple of specs on this unit. This is by Klaiyi Hair. This is their Jerry Curly Ginger Brown Colored Lace Front Unit, baby. Now, this does start off at the 14-inch length, goes all the way up to the 24-inch, which is what I have. Now, they do have two lace available. You have the 4x4 lace T-part, or what I have, which is the 13x4 lace frontal, baby. Now, the price starts off at $118.71. That is for the 14-inch. Baby. Yeah, we jumped right into the deep cool water. I'm no stranger to Klaiyi Hair. I've done a few of their units, so no surprise that this was going to be of quality. And straight out of the pack, really no surprises, no, like, it didn't go left, okay, sis? Lace looks really good straight out of the pack. The knots on here are actually really small, in my opinion, especially considering this is a 30 ginger colored unit. And this lace, because never, baby, listen, never, okay, let me get a little closer, okay? Never have I ever done a unit with no baby hairs. Absolutely no baby hairs on this unit. So straight out of the pack, the hairline, it was looking really good, okay? It was looking good. But you know your girl got to get scalp, okay, sis? So I did go through and get the plucking. I really took out a considerable amount of hair not needed. You do not need to pluck this unit. However, I definitely wanted to give you some scalp, baby. And that is what we are serving. Now, no issues with plucking it. The hair came out really good. The lace is super durable, so it definitely held up to my tweezers. And best part about this unit, baby, check the sides. Can we take a moment for the sides? I was able to glue this all the way down to the sideburns, and they give you so much coverage. This is all wig over here. None of this is my hair. Now, the lace is super thin on here, so it does blend. It is a little bit cloggable, as I can see right here, and that's only because I did kind of cut it a little funky. Don't come for me. I know what I'm doing. Yeah, but other than that, I think the lace came out so dang good. I'm not even getting a cast off. This unit does come pretty much freestyle, baby. You gotta wing it. I decided to do a middle part, and you know, I've never done a 30 unit. I don't know. Do you put powder? Do you put foundation? Do you darken the roots? Do you let it be? I don't know. So I did put a little bit of my foundation, Shade 440 by Fenty, into the parting space. Curly hair, you really don't see a part, so you know, I'm pretty cool with that. I did apply some heat to the top of this unit, as you saw, and baby, she is giving you flat, baby. Oh, hello. I did wash this unit to relax the curls, and I must say they have fluffed up so dang good. This is just such a luscious curl. It looks so healthy. Does come in a 24-inch, which is what they sent me. However, I did cut some of this hair off. I put a little bit of more layers in it just to frame my face to my liking, but this unit actually comes pretty layered, but it's long layers. So as far as this color, baby, you know, yeah. You know, I'm digging it under these lights. I'm digging it with makeup. I don't know, you know, I wouldn't go on a date with Larry in this. You know what I'm saying? For me, I wouldn't do this. I wouldn't finesse without makeup, is what I'm saying, okay? I think the color is really pretty. It's really pretty. It's just going to take some time for me to warm up to, but this is definitely giving me ginger vibes, baby. Hello, and I hit you with the blue. Do you see that? Hello. Okay. I did forget to mention this is a very comfortable cap, very stretchy, very roomy. I don't know what else to say because I really don't have any gripes, no concerns about this unit. I think it looks really good. I would love to possibly tease this out, straighten it, see what we get. That would be another thing, girl. Hello. So if you are interested in checking out the information for this unit by Klaiyi Hair, I'll have a direct link in the description box down below. Big thank you to them for sending this out to your girl. Definitely appreciate it. Most importantly, big thank you to all of you for tuning in. Thank you so much, ladies. I definitely appreciate it. We are on the road to forever. So with that being said, if you are new, definitely do consider hitting that subscribe button. Give this video a thumbs up, share the video with your family and friends, and most importantly, drop your girl a comment down below. Take care of yourself, ladies, and of course, as always, keep wearing it with confidence.